I'm Dr. Doreen Galli. Welcome to Conference Whispers, CONEXPO-CON IFPE 2023, held in Las Vegas, Nevada. Be sure to subscribe to get notified when new content and analysis arrive. Conference Vibe, the largest North American construction conference, surpassed the attendance of their last conference, which was held while COVID-19 was declared a pandemic. The conference requires an entire month to set up, complex enough that is only held every 3 years. The exhibits leverage the entire Las Vegas Convention Center. It spanned the parking lots, the entire South Hall, North Hall, and Central Hall, as well as the new West Hall and the Las Vegas Festival grounds. When asked if attendees reported meeting their business objectives, the answer was resounding yes. Some indicated the expected deals came through, along with a few surprises. Once again, the quality of attendees itself was mentioned by the exhibitors. Fortunately, the press room and many exhibits had coffee available, both regular and decaffeinated, and this time, hot water for tea, digital transformation of commercial fleets and job sites. According to IFM, 85% of vehicle telematics is used for vehicle tracking, with only 27% used to track fatigue management. Well, the 2020 conference had education modules on digital transformation. In 2023, they were competing modules. CONEXPO 2023 Live forced one to choose between the top 10 use cases using advanced machine data and predictive maintenance, plan the work and work the plan. In 2020, participants were told the value of sharing one important piece of data. In 2023, the conference offered a plethora of machine data transformational use cases. Attendees saw Plante Moran's customer discuss how they learned to leverage data to better manage their fleet. ICC provided a great session on crane operation safety using data analysis of standards and incidents. When all was finished, the audience understood that less than 23.8% of all crane safety responsibility actually falls on the shoulders of the operator. Polaris Laboratories demonstrated the advantage of simply connecting one's fluid analysis to the maintenance management system. In another session, participants learned how to use the machine data for 10 separate use cases. The use cases varied from maximizing the ROI of their machines, saving money by maximizing use of remote investigation, to minimizing the cost of batteries. Another topic growing in popularity due to the federal contracting requirements was understanding the carbon footprint of an actual job site. A complete solution set with various accuracy levels to measure fleet emissions was presented by Clue. TACA presented a platform that can estimate your carbon footprint. In addition, TACA platform can optimize most metrics for job sites across the company and across machine vendors. Furthermore, TACA offers an augmented reality solution to help customers and teams picture the job sites before it's realized. Finally, one cannot discuss all of this technology and data without a great session on cybersecurity. To the end, CONEXPO did not disappoint with a great panel reviewing ransomware and DDoS, distributed denial of service attacks, are top of mind. In conclusion, it was exciting to see how far and fast the construction and agricultural industries are progressing towards digital transformation job sites and enterprises. Unfortunately, transformation stories frequently could not communicate their business impact. If I had one piece of advice to share with the industry, it'd be to leverage Six Sigma or some form of business process impact improvement and assessment during the transformations. These types of processes capture the financial advantages of the actual transformation, and despite the lack of BPI assessment, construction benefits from the constant turnover of construction equipment within companies. Thus, I would not be surprised to see the construction industry successfully transform faster than manufacturing. Next year's conference. CONEXPO-CON is held every 3 years. The next CONEXPO-CON and IFPE will occur March 3rd to the 7th, 2026 in Las Vegas. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli. This concludes Conference Whispers, CONEXPO-CON IFPE. Subscribe to not miss any of our exciting content and enterprise technology, and have an amazing day.